Assalamu Alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to a new video. Recently I have done some shopping from Meesho and I thought to share a haul with you guys. So here is the video. First thing that I have purchased from Meesho is this beautiful set of earrings. It comes in a set of 3 and trust me you guys, the quality is really so good. They are literally so good. Actually I wanted some pair of hoop earrings so that I can wear them with western clothes as well. So yeah, these are the earrings. If I talk about the quality, even these earrings are so good, you can definitely purchase them. These are Monalisa stone earrings and they're in so much trend these days. Quality is really good, but it was broken from the edge as you can see here, so I had returned them. So this is one of my favorite purchase from Meesho and it's basically a selfie stick and it is available in multiple colors. I actually wanted in pink but it was not available on Meesho, so I got this. It has multiple options, like you can click your photos. It comes with this LED light as well which is rechargeable, and yeah, it just looks so cute, to be honest. I wanted something which is handy so that I can even carry it out and do vlogging even in my home. So yeah, this is the selfie stick that I got. Okay, so this is the next thing, and this is a crochet set. These days I'm just scrolling on Instagram and those crochet reels are just so cute, you know. Even by seeing those reels you want to do crochet. So this is the crochet kit and all of these products are very affordable, so definitely go and check them out. Okay, so these are the boxes that I got. They're basically organizer. You can store medicines, hair accessories, etc. in it. So yeah, and the quality is really good as well. Alright, so these are cute hair clips. I wanted to have them from so long. In the given image they were looking slightly lighter in the color, but when I received them they are a little darker. Other than that, the quality is really good. You can definitely have a look on them. I also ordered a bedsheet from Meesho and in the video the colors are looking little enhanced. The color of this bedsheet is a little dull, I would say, but according to the price I feel that it is good. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at digitalrafiah. I'll catch you in next video. Till then, take care.